Hi, Brian. Today I make cooking for soup for watermelon cucumber. Look at that. So I'm going to cut that in 3 pieces. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to take the seed out from the watermelon cucumber. So we have to be careful to take that off from the seed from the watermelon cucumber. So you gotta make a hole and get all the seed out from there. So it's hard to take it out. It's not easy to take it out, okay? So it's because it's small, it's not a bigger one, so that's why it's hard to take it out. You have to take the knife and poke and try to remove that. So I have to take one by one to take the seed off from the watermelon cucumber. So if you don't be careful, that one broke. So if you broke that, so you cannot put the meat inside that. Anyway, thank you very much for your support and watching my video. Look at that. You see the holes like that. So you have to put the meat inside the hole for the watermelon, okay? Cucumbers. So look at that. Okay, you have to put the, you have to do it very nice and easy. If you broke that, you cannot put that, put the meat inside. So just be careful when you do it. Okay, so this will be take long to do it because it's a small, not a bigger one. It bigger one, so you can do that. So small, you have to do small. Take your time to do it to make sure it won't break. This is my first time to do it because usually my wife, she does, so I think it's easy to do it, but now I do by myself. It's hard, so that's why when she cooking, she told me this one is hard to do it because if you buy the small one, if you buy the bigger one, it's easy to do. Now I do it, it is hard. That's what she told me. But anyway, doesn't matter. This is small, it will be taste more good than the big one, okay? So, because sometimes the big one is, like old, it's not young. So the small young like this, it tastes more flavor. Just take your time to do it, if you do it, because it won't be just hard to do it, but just say it take time to remove the seed from the watermelon cucumber here. So anyway, thank you very much for your support and watching my video. Please enjoy my video. I think now it's easy. You just poke to the in the mirror, take the knife, poke into the mirror, so and you squish it, then the seed will become out. So just be careful. Still be careful. If you broke it, you cannot put the meat inside. Okay. Thank you very much for your support and watching my video. So I will see you next video. And okay, thank you. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye.